This is the standard room. It has a view outside. There's a touchscreen TV on the wall and the shower right on front. Everything looks clean, new. It probably was renovated. It also has a small shower with basic shower head. Also a hair dryer. Looks a bit like a space cabin, and it also has a desk over here beside the bed with the alarm clock and three plugs here to charge your devices, and a mini bar, I believe, which is empty, hot kettle, a safe, and a clothing hanger, and a mirror. It's small, but it's spacious and has quite a nice view to the high rises in the city. A resting couch, which you probably can extend into an extra bed, and also a luggage holder, fire detector. It looks like it has been renovated quite recently. The door of the bathroom, it's quite smart because it saves space. So the shower door can be used either to close the bathroom, or if you are taking a shower, it will close the shower inside the bathroom. So like that, you only use one door for two rooms that originally needed two doors. And the mirror has two lightings on both sides of the mirror, so like that not only you won't get any humidity after taking a shower, the glass will be heated, so the water will evaporate. So like that you don't have to clear the mirror with the towel. And they also didn't put any one-time used toothbrush or comb or cotton wool, but they offer these products available at the reception. You just have to go down and pick them up. And they also have a hand wash soap, which looks like stainless steel. And the mirror is made by Siswo, looks like a Chinese company, and the water fountain is made by Bravat. On the windows, it's interesting that they chose rollers instead of curtains. There are two rollers. There's one which is probably light proof, so it will be completely dark, and the one on front is just to make some shade but still leave daylight come through. And I think this won't produce as much as dust as conventional curtains, and it looks cleaner. And by the way, this is on the 15th floor, and the only small thing is that it was a bit difficult to get a lift to go up, because out of the 6 lifts, only 3 were available for the public, and all of them seem to be packed with travelers every time we wanted to take a lift to go up, so we had to wait at least around 10 minutes until there was a lift. I just noticed, in addition to the 3 plugs which are available near the desk, there's also a USB port which you can use to charge your electronic devices. And on the working desk there's also a usage guide of the room and the hotel. Breakfast is included. You can make your own coffee in the room. There's free Wi-Fi, and breakfast is on level 1 from 6:30 till 10:30 a.m. The location is in the middle of the city, is very near to the monorail Raja Chulan. So if you take from the central station, you have to take the green monorail train, which is inside the mall So when you're in the station, take the escalator upwards into the mall, and then you go straight, and then you have to go down again to go to the monorail station, and then you take it all the way to Raja Chulan. From there you can walk in 5 minutes to the Holiday Inn. In the ground floor there's O'Brien's Sandwich Cafe, which is in the same building as the Holiday Inn, and you have all kinds of sandwiches and salads that you can order, ranging between 20 to 40 ringgit. This is the breakfast place you have in the morning from 6:30 until 10:30. It's a buffet which includes hot meals and also bread and pancakes and fruits and coffee and porridge and juice and hot chocolate. The view from the 15th floor, as you can see, this, I think it's the back side of the hotel, and there are many new apartment buildings as well as new office buildings which have been built recently, and they are practically all high-rise buildings. But you also can find lots of trees spread out along the roads and also all around the city, so you have a lot of green color and plants which give some oxygen. The only thing which is missing here in the bathroom is they don't really have a hanger to hang your clothes in case you want to wash some of your clothes by yourself in the bathroom. However, they do have a self-laundry on the second floor, and also the shower place could have a bit more light because it's a bit dark when you take a shower, but the bathroom itself is very bright. They also have available washing and drying facility, and you can buy a token for the washing machine is 10 ringgit for one token, and for the dryer also 10 ringgit for one token. And then you can iron it over here and then also hang it if you need to. And there's also a fitness center and gym which you can use for free, complimentary of the hotel.